This is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the parental controls for this device. First of all, you need to launch settings, then enter Google category. In here, make sure that there are no accounts currently linked to your system. If you have any, remove them, which you can do by tapping over here, going into manage accounts on this device option, then open each individual account you have added and remove it like so. Once this step is out of the way, we can start the actual setup procedure. So at the Google category of settings, enter parental controls section, get started, child or teenager, next. Now sign into your Google account, or not the Google account that will be used by child. If you do not have it, just sign up. So in here, I'm going to enter the email address first. Then password. Next, I agree. Accept. Then choose the account that you have just logged into from the list. After that, we will need to enter the credentials for the parent's Google account as well. So enter the email address, then enter the password for the account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. Then scroll the following page all the way down, enter the password to the child's Google account once again, and then tap on a blue agree button. At the following pop-up window, go for the allow option. Wait until two accounts will get linked. Next. In here you can turn on or turn off the apps for the child, which you will also be able to do later. So if you're interested in finishing the setup process sooner, just skip this step. The same pretty much applies for content restrictions and filters. In here, if the device that is written in a bold font is the one that you'll use as the parent, just tap on the blue install family link button, and the needed app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your device as a parent. Or you can always go for the skip option and do that in the manual way. But in my case, that is true, so I'll go for the install family link button. Now I happen to have this Sony device in front of me, which, as you can see, has just gotten the Family Link app downloaded. Now launch it from your device as a parent or supervisor. Make sure over here to choose the account that you have earlier identified as the supervisor's Google account. And at the Family Link app, you can set daily limits, downtime routine, configure, set app limits and monitor the app activity, apply content restrictions, configure account settings, manage devices, monitor your child's location, and look at the highlights of your child's device usage. So that would be it as far as setting up parental controls go. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.